Hi everyone, so we are going to be making Singapore Char Kway Teow, which is fried Kway Teow really. We have some shrimp here, some onions and garlic, and this time around I'm actually using chicken, and I marinated with soy sauce and a little bit of cornstarch. And then this is the sauce, which I use 1 tablespoon of a very thick dark soy sauce, and I have like 2 or 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, some chili paste, like about a teaspoon or more if you like, and some oyster sauce, about a tablespoon of soy sauce. And then we have the carrots and bok choy and 2 eggs and black pepper. And finally, the main ingredient, which is the Kway Teow, which you can buy from any Asian store. Hi everyone, so I've had this pan heated up for about 5 minutes now, and you just add a little bit of oil. And then just add the onions and garlic. And just cook them till it starts to get soft. You can turn up the heat a little bit. Then you can add the carrots because it takes a longer time to cook. It'll take about 5 minutes for the carrots to soften, so we'll be right back. So it's been about a couple of minutes, so the carrots are a little bit softer. So I'm just going to set it aside here and cook the chicken. And the shrimp. You can make the heat a little bit higher, and then this is where you add the sauce. And mix it all up, and you can add in the bok choy, season it with some black pepper, you just put it aside and crack the 2 eggs in. Just scramble it. Mix it all up. At this point, feel free to add a little bit more soy sauce if you feel like you need more. And then finally, just add the noodles in. And this will take a couple of minutes to coat it all up. We'll be right back. So it's been about 5 minutes now, and the sauce is all fully coated and it's ready to eat. You can have this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, whatever you want. So if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this channel.